I've not seen her ride him. He usually does go on the bit.
It's okay. I like to see him in all aspects.
But she's in it. She's the one that I kind of wanted to see her ride him. She's considering an in-barn lease on it.
Oh, she is?
Yeah. Just check your diagonal, Jade. Wait, I think you bounced twice. If you bend him a little more to the inside as well, then he'll start lightening up for you a little more, and as much inside leg as you can get on him. There you go. There you go. It's hard to get your leg on, huh? You look cute on him.
Yeah.
He just likes to kind of, his worst thing is he likes to brace in his right jaw. Especially over here by the gate towards his pasture. So if you kind of pretend like you're going to make a circle there on this far end over here, or just kind of all the way around, really bend him a little bit more to the inside. There you go. And he should stay lighter. There. Good job. And now, right now, bend him more right. Tug release with that inside rein a little and keep your right leg. There you go. Keep him bent, keep him bent. That's the way to get his attention. And he kind of tripped a little, so change it back to that other diagonal. More inside leg. So almost pretend like you're going to be coming down the quarter line when you're making your turns, and then kind of move him. Actually do that when you're coming on the long side. Start your turn on the quarter line.
I should
There you
make
go.
or make a circle.
Yeah. And then push him over. Good. A little more leg. There you go. Now start bending him here. You can even circle him. Because right over there, he likes to pull. There you go. Good job. You can get a little more forward trot. Excellent. Good girl. And then keep bending him right here. There you go, just to get his attention so he's not gawking to the outside.
Oh, come across the diagonal.
Huh?
Come across the diagonal.
Okay. Can you come across the diagonal and let's change directions? He's getting a video of you. And same thing here. Ask him to bend a little more and more leg, so that you have enough leg to back up your hand.
Does he have a big suspendy trot?
You can. Send him forward a little bit more. There you go. You just think, keep that bend to the inside. And if you want to go ahead and canter him, after he canters, well, you probably know this, he gets lighter in the trot when you bring him back to the trot. And we're still working on transitions and such.
That's fine. She's lost her diagonal again.
Yeah. And then just shorten your reins up a little bit more. Keep that inside leg on. That's the worst thing he'll do is he'll want to break to the trot. And then let's reorganize the trot just a touch. Change that posting diagonal again. Make a circle down here and really get him bending to the inside. Steady on your right rein and then kind of a tug release on that inside rein, pushing him off your left leg. Just exaggerate, one more circle, exaggerate the bend to the inside. Try not to let him lose the forward. And then try cantering him again. Once he's paying attention to you, make one more circle. Push him off that inside leg. And then go ahead and ask for canter. There you go. That's all right. Back to trot. You picked up that wrong lead. Back to trot. So you need to stay in a circle here. Check that posting diagonal. And then right leg back. Good girl. Good. Excellent. Good. Keep the leg on here. A little more inside leg. That's better. And then down here, maybe make another circle. Bending slightly to the inside leg, keep that leg on, good girl. And if you feel him start pulling down on you, just sit down. And a few half halts, but steady leg. There you go. That was a lot better. And then go ahead and bring him back to trot. A little more leg. Yeah, stay in the circle till you get him bending and listening to you a little more. There you go. And let's change directions after your next circle. Okay, good. Now we're going to bend him right a little bit more. There you go, good. Keep that inside leg steady with that outside rein. And now pretend like you're gonna come down the quarter line. Keeping him bending. And then you can go large next time. So as you're using that inside leg, in time with your leg, just play on that inside rein just a little bit. There you go, good. And then add a little more leg, see if we can maintain that frame, but just a little bit more forward. Right, there's where he's going to start gawking. And then maybe canter him this way, and then we'll call that good. There you go, that's looking better. So if he starts to get a little heavy, sit up a little bit more, shorten your reins, keeping the leg. There you go. And you can go large next time. That's all right. Good job. And think about bending here too. Shorten your reins up just a little bit more. Try not to lean quite. Try to sit the canter a little more and stay a little taller.